Hello everyone. I know, it's been a long time. We need to talk. So I am trying to get back into the rhythm of filming videos. My life personally and also work has been really crazy, and there's been some good times, some really highs, and then some really scary moments that we've recently gone through. And I needed to take the time for myself because I am someone that takes care of everything and everybody, and I put myself on the back burner. I'm always last, and I need to take care of myself a little bit better. So I have been trying to do the best that I can with my business. You guys know that or if you're new, I started a new career as a real estate agent, and I've been a stay-at-home mom for 6 years. So I think it's time, or thought it was time, to start my new career, and that's what I did. And I just dove in head first. Lots of changes all around me happened so quickly that it's like now starting to hit me like, wait a minute, now it's not just, oh, this would be a good idea, this would be kind of fun, I think I'd be good at this. It's a reality. Like, I made it happen, and now I have to nurture my business because otherwise it won't grow. So that's kind of what I've been dealing with, and of course, just adjusting to having a child now that's in school. My kid is in school. That's crazy, and he's enjoying it. He's adapted very well to it, and I've just had a lot of things going on. So I will be doing a personal life update eventually, but today I told my son that I was going to take him to go see, I think it's called Smallfoot. When we saw the previews months ago, I told him that when it came out, I would take him, and I have to live up to that. I don't like to promise him things and not do them. And I also promised him that for Halloween, sometime in the month of October, that we'd do Halloween cupcakes, and I'd go buy the stuff for him to make it and frost and decorate and put sprinkles on it. So I have to live up to my promises as a mommy, and so that's what I'm going to do today, even though I really just want to stay home. So we're going to casually get ready. I'm in my room. Obviously, you can tell that this is a different background. This is my headboard. I want to change my backdrop in my other room, so I'm going to start talking and getting ready. And I will put everything down in the description box, everything that I'm using, but I'm going to go through this pretty quickly because I'm just going to the movies. I got to go to Target to grab some cupcake liners and a few things that I need, and then head to the movies. So using the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. I'm sorry about the lighting. I will try to fix it when I go in to edit. I actually had a video that I did using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and when I went to edit that, a big chunk was missing, like the whole eye tutorial was gone. So I guess I didn't hit record, and like a dummy, I was talking to myself, and there was nothing to post. So yeah, that's kind of what my life has been like. One big jumbled up mess. And I do apologize for not keeping you guys updated, but I also have been absent on social media. I just literally took the time to kind of step away. I've been having some breakouts. I think everything is sort of catching up. Stress, craziness, breaking out all over the place. I've got grays like nobody's business, and I need to color my hair, and I haven't gotten around to it. So I'm going to use my CC cream. I've been using my hands to apply it because this sponge from Real Techniques needs to be replaced. I'm going to use the tip of it for my under eye today, but it's time for that sucker to meet the trash can. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this, usually about a pump and a half or so of the CC cream, and I'm just going to go crazy blending this in. So, like I said, I'm going to do a life update eventually. It's crazy. Sometimes life can throw you some major curveballs, and you just have to kind of adapt, be okay with it, keep a smile on your face, and keep moving, which is what I've been trying to do. And lots of good things. I recently had my first open house, which is so great. So excited about that because I just got my license in August. I passed the exam, I want to say it was June, took July off to do nothing but relax because I had been studying so hard, went to Vegas for a week with my family, and just decided that I was going to start it in August, and that's what I did. So I'm blending this down a little bit. I haven't even opened up my Sephora Play box for September. I opened the box, but I haven't actually looked at the products. I don't know if there's anything in there that I would want to use today anyways. I should be getting my October one in the mail soon. So I guess I will probably do an unboxing of September and October, just kind of jumble that together. I'm going to try to see if I can get better at scheduling time to do videos, because when you start working again and you start really putting all this energy into it, it's like other things start lacking, and you have to sort of figure out, okay, I've got this amount of time, let's work on time management. And that's huge when you are your own business owner and you work from home. So that's what it is. I'm using the Tatcha Pro. This thing is so disgusting and dirty. I love this. I use this every single day. I have it in the shade called Moonlight, and you can get this at Sephora. And it looks like this. It's just kind of like a tinted, it's supposed to be a tinted eye cream, really. But I use it as my concealer because I feel like the coverage that I get from this is quite enough. And I use a Q-tip just to get some out of the jar. I never put my fingers in it. Mini empty skincare products that I do want to do an update on. So I'm just kind of dabbing this and just kind of tapping that. And like I said, I'm going to use the tip of this to blend this in really quickly because I'm not doing anything super special today. Going to the movies, going to Target, and baking cupcakes. So I don't need to do all kinds of craziness with my makeup today. I will be trying to schedule some time to do the Jaclyn Hill tutorials because I know I've been asked to do tutorials with each of the palettes, and I have been using them off camera on my personal time, and even the original Jaclyn Hill palette, like the big one, I have still been using those and really enjoying them, and I still stand by my initial thoughts and reviews of my first impressions and stuff. So I will kind of put some cards up throughout the video of some videos that I've posted so you guys can watch if you haven't seen them, or if you're new to the channel, you'll be able to kind of see those. But I feel like this Tatcha stuff seriously just brightens up my entire under eye area and makes me look like I have slept. I have been up since 7:30 this morning. I usually might start my day around 6:30, so an extra hour of sleep is really nice. But I kept hearing like some like nails, and I scratching on like the roof or like on the shingles on this like back covered patio. I'm upstairs in my room, and I couldn't see because the sun was so bright in the morning where the sound was coming from. I couldn't see a bird or anything. But then I hear this really loud crowing sound, and it scared the daylights out of me because it was like, it must have been right outside my window because it was super loud. And then, of course, I couldn't go back to sleep. So, what has been going on in y'all's life? Share with me in the comments if you'd like. Good things, I hope. I can't even believe we're already mid-October. By the time this goes up, would be around that time frame anyways. Halloween is right around the corner. It has gotten pretty cool here, and it's starting to feel like winter. We had snow a few days ago. I live in Colorado, so usually by this time we've had snow. Sometimes we've had snow in September, which is crazy because other places are still very, very hot. But it's gotten a little bit cooler here, which is crazy, but it is what it is. So I'm going to do my brows, and this is the only product that I have been using, the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. I have it in a shade called Dutch, and I love this stuff. This is absolutely the best, hands down, the very, 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 very best tinted brow gel I have ever used. It will make my brows look incredible, and you can see that they're very sparse. They're kind of thin. I like to have a thicker brow. I like to have them look fuller. This does all that for me, and I will show you. I'm not going to fast forward. I'm not going to do any crazy editing with it. I'm just going to show you. I think this side of my face looks a little dark. So let's work on this brow here. And then I'm going to go in and just start adding this to the brows. And I have it in the shade Dutch because my hair is darker now. And even just that, I'm not even done, but that makes such a big difference in my brows. I don't know if you guys are able to see on camera, probably not all of these grays. Like I've had to part my hair a little bit on the deeper side because all through here, this is all white. Like, unbelievable. It's crazy because my husband, who is a few years older than me, he has literally one gray hair. And I have like 50,000 of them. So I definitely have to color my hair. It is unbelievable. The amount of grays that I've had. I've had grays since I was 20, and it's just gotten progressively worse as I've gotten older, as I've gotten into my 30s. But what I like to say, it's like wine. As you get older, you get better. Then I take my little Q-tip that I use for the Tatcha stuff under the eyes and kind of just go around and clean up because I got a little bit too carried away here. I need to put a little bit more brow gel because these hairs are long. They're in need of a trim. You might be able to probably tell. But this is the one brow that's pretty much done, and then this one is not. And so I'm going to go in and do this other brow. I love this stuff. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend that you do. It is very pigmented, and it will give you a lot of color. I did a review on their infamous Kush mascara, which is probably floating somewhere in this gigantic makeup bag. And I don't know what it was, but I just could not get behind it. I was so pumped and excited about it. I bought that travel size one when I was in Vegas in July because I couldn't get it locally. Like, it was sold out at my local Sephora's, and I'm like, okay, obviously this has got to be good. I was really disappointed. Like, I just don't see it. And of course, everybody's preference is totally different, but I just didn't see what the most fabulous mascara. Oh my gosh, this is so great. I just didn't get that. I don't know. I don't know if I'm missing something. Do you love it? Have you used it? What do you think about it? Because I don't know. It's just unreal. I just can't get behind it. So I'm going to get this brush from e.l.f. This is the small tapered brush, which I've been using for my mineral powder. This is the Glow Skin Beauty Pressed Base in Natural Medium, and I've hit pan on it because this is really what I've been doing most days. I'm going to take a little bit of it and go over the areas that I feel like I need a little bit extra coverage because I've been, like I said, breaking out. This one was huge, and it was like a couple of them together, so like a cluster of breakouts. And I just was like telling myself, girl, you are stressing out too much. Okay. So I feel like that's be a little bit more. I ordered this new hair tool from Revlon, from Ulta, during their hair event. I think it was on the 7th, which I think it was a Sunday. It's the Revlon Oval. You use it to dry and style your hair. I'll show you guys in a video, I'm sure. And I'm really excited and pumped to try that because anything that can help me kind of round brush my hair would be really great because I don't know how to do that. I don't get the technique very well. And I'm going to use a little bit of bronzer. This is the palette from NYX, which is, again, my go-to. And I use this, where is it? This shade here, which is obviously the dirtiest one. And I'm going to just take a little bit of that just to add a little bit of warmth to my skin. And this is kind of what I do on a regular basis, except I will do like eyeshadows or, you know, liner and stuff like that. Today I think I'm just going to just do mascara. I really wanted to just sit here and chat with you guys and kind of try to make up for some lost time. So I'm not going to do a whole lot because it's not like I have stuff going on today. It's really that special. I should have filmed when I was doing my makeup for my professional headshots for like business, marketing, and real estate stuff, but I totally forgot. I totally forgot. And I should have maybe had my husband go with me and film some of it because that would have been really cool, kind of like a day in the life, but too late. Okay, so mascara, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I busted out a new one about a week ago. This is my go-to. I love this. I've tried so many other ones, but I keep coming back to this because there's just nothing like it. So I'm going to do a good 2 coats of this to really open up the eyes and make it look good. Well, the lip products that I have is the Honest Beauty Lip Crayon and the Sarah Hat Lip Slip. I think I'm going to do the Honest Beauty. I did a review on this. This is in the shade called Marsala. And I think I'm just going to do a little bit and then kind of blend it out with my finger. My lips and my skin have been so incredibly dry. I think it's just because we have the heat on. and the weather's changing, so I have to add like more oils to my skincare. I've been using the marula oil from Drunk Elephant again. Love that oil. So good. So freaking expensive though. It's just one type of oil and it's $72. Like, come on. Can they lower the price just a little bit? Okay, so that is just kind of like a light layer, a little bit of color, not too much. I do have some lip products in my purse that I probably will slap on some gloss because I've been doing kind of like a glossy lip lately, super glossy, and really enjoy that. So that is it. I am done. I am ready to head out. Just got to put my boots on, and yeah, that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I know it seems like I just came back out of nowhere. I've been gone for a long time, and I apologize, but my life has been pretty crazy, and I really want to get back into filming. I have missed you guys so incredibly much, and this feels so good to just do this and not think about anything else and just kind of block out everybody else. I'm in here with just the dogs, and this has been fun to be able to connect with you and kind of share with you guys a little bit of what's going on. And like I said, I'll be doing some personal life updates eventually. But I do want to do the unboxing of my Sephora Play boxes or little pouches that have been coming in. What else? I'm looking at my bathroom thinking, what else do I got to do? Oh, empties. I've gotten a lot of little minis empties that I want to share with you guys, mostly skincare. I haven't really shopped for any new makeup. I know, isn't that crazy? Because I usually shop and get some new things, like a few things here and there every month and try to keep up with it, but I haven't been seeing what's new. I haven't even gotten on social media too much. So let me know what's new, what's out there, what's good, what should I try. Let me know. Give me your feedback down below. If you're interested in following me off camera, you can always tune into Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. It'll always pop up on the screen here. Have a fabulous day. Thank you so much for tuning in and for hanging in there and for understanding why I've been gone and for watching today's video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.